challenge the youth to emerge into a new generation of leaders, oneness change makers. The emergence of a leader by definition in the market seems to be easy. To lead a group of people, a bigger bully with greater aggression becomes a leader leading a group. A greater manipulator achieving his or her set selfish goals seems to become a leader. The change makers I talk of, the new generation of leaders I talk of, are very different by nature. They are heart leaders. They are connectors. They are fearless. They are doers. Let me explain to you who a heart leader is, a oneness change maker is, through 3 examples from nature. The first quality of a oneness change maker is to be like the Brazil nut tree. The Brazil nut tree is at the heart of the rainforest. The entire forest thrives around the tree. As bees, agoutis, and monkeys sustain the Brazil nut tree, they receive their sustenance in return. The first quality, therefore, is a change maker is one who helps life thrive around them, and he or she too thrives as life grows around them. The second quality of a oneness change maker is to be like the trees in the tropics. There is not one tree sustaining the tropics. There are many trees that sustain the tropics. Coconut trees, jackfruit trees, mango trees, a variety of them with innumerable life forms like elephants, monkeys, ants, all together create the tropical rainforest. A change maker lives in harmony with the rest. He or she doesn't see themselves alone as a leader. They see leadership in various capacities in others around them as necessary for the growth of any body of people or organization or nation. They have the second quality of intelligently sharing leadership with the worthy around them. The third quality of a oneness change maker is to be like the hub tree. The hub trees are the largest trees in a forest and are very connected at their roots. They support other trees in shade or the young saplings by providing carbon and water, nourishing them for life. They even change their root structure to make room for the saplings which may not belong to their own specific family. The third quality of change makers is to be connected with the rest of the ecosystem. They build and nurture a beautiful ecosystem around them. They impact people, their own families, teams, the larger society with the power of their connected consciousness. They lead them towards greater destinies. They are very inclusive of the well-being of the rest. A oneness change maker's power comes from the realization that we are interconnected and interdependent, and he or she functions from this awareness. So, as a young person, are you ready to take this personal challenge I am throwing at you to emerge into a new generation of leaders? The world needs a new generation of leaders right now like never before. And it needs not just any leader, but a oneness change maker who leads from the heart. Do you see yourself emerging into a oneness change maker and cause a great and meaningful impact on the world? The emergence of a oneness change maker marks the beginning of a new collective destiny.